Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of showing your face on YouTube, or you have not even started YouTube and you are thinking of starting but you don't want to show your face? You are actually lucky, because today we'll be talking about 6 top faceless YouTube channel niches that could make you rich this very year. The truth is, it is possible for anybody to get rich on YouTube. The major thing is to have a good storyline, have good visuals, and as long as you are consistent, you make lots of money online. So if you look around YouTube, you see that there are lots of videos on the internet that people are making money from, and you don't really know the faces behind them. I'm here today to tell you those 6 faceless YouTube channel niches that you can go into and make lots of money, without leaving your house. So if this interests you, please make sure you stay right there. I'll be right back. Hey guys, welcome back. So the first on the list are the AI generated content. Now, with the uprising of different AI platforms, from Claude to ChatGPT to Grok to Meta AI and so on and so forth, you can create scripts and also create animated videos, using any of these softwares and apps. So all you have to do is just know what to do, pick a niche, get involved in all these things. You can use Meta AI and ChatGPT to create scripts, then animate them with Grok, Claude, or whichever platform you want to use. The major thing, like I said, is to understand the area you would like to invest your time on. It could be tech news, it could be cartoons, it could be any other animation, it could even be tutoring. And as long as you know what you are doing, you'll be good to go, and people will definitely watch your videos. We have about 3 billion people watching videos on YouTube every day. As such, you will definitely get your own audience, and you can also monetize this traffic. Number 2, we have relaxation videos. Now, people use AI to create sounds and visuals that help people relax. So imagine someone wants to relax. There are a lot of AI that can help you create audio, that are so cool and calm that anybody from anywhere, all they have to do is to go to your YouTube channel, watch your videos, then the waves and the sounds actually make them relax and calm. There are lots of spa and different places where these things are used. Not just that, individuals also use channels like that to relax, maybe during the day or off work hours. So all you have to do is to key yourself into this, create channels that doesn't really show your face, and meet the needs of people. Like I said earlier, there are close to 3 billion people watching videos on YouTube every single day. So no matter what you create, the truth is your audience are actually there. All you just need to do is to be consistent and understand how this works. Number 3, history and storytelling. So imagine using AI to create mysteries and historical events. All you have to do is get the history of a particular set of people or things or whatever event that happened. Take these things to AI and animate your write-up. You will have a great video. And sincerely speaking, you will get your watch hours fast, you will get monetized, and you will get lots and lots of views, and this will bring you lots of money. Because people actually watch stories, they watch events from A to Z. As long as it is engaging, you know what you are doing, and you have a perfect script, you will get the views that you need, you will get the traffic, and you also get the revenue. Number 4, we have mythology. Mythology has to do with myths. So you can get myths from different parts of the world, turn them into stories with AI, and use AI to also turn the stories into videos. Folktales, myths, fables, and whatever you call it. People watch your videos because people love contents like this, and it's always engaging. It takes time. Like, people actually watch it for hours, and they also recommend contents like this. And like I said earlier, what you need is just viewership, retainership. That's people viewing your videos. You are able to retain them so that they subscribe, and before you know it, your money will grow. So these are money printing strategies that we use. It is a great niche that you can go into this year, and you also make lots of money. Number 5, educational content. you can actually use Faceless YouTube channel to grow your educational business. All you have to do is create content, turn them into videos, and people will watch. People want to learn, and when they come to learn, they want to see solutions, they want to see results. Let's say someone comes to your channel for an educational purpose, maybe to learn something like digital marketing, and you're able to use whiteboard, or you're able to use AI to generate a video that takes the course, from A to Z. You'll be surprised, especially when there's caption there. People watch the video from A to Z because they want to learn. When you say 5 things that happens in SEO and whatever it is, you'll be surprised that people will watch from 1 to 5 because they are interested in learning. So you can create a Faceless YouTube channel, focusing on the educational need and generating your script, your questions from AI, and also generating the video from the script you already generated from AI. And one way or the other, you will still make a whole lot of money. Number 6, cartoons and animations. If you check YouTube so well, go and check videos from Cocomelon and the likes. You will see that they have 1 billion, 2 billion views, and all these views actually are a lot of money. There are a lot of children globally, and they always like cartoons, they like animations. Just make it interesting, make it appealing, and people will watch your videos. So the question is, which of them interests you? I would like to know in the comment section. If you have any question on how to get started or how we can support you to grow your YouTube channel, especially a Faceless YouTube channel, then please drop it in the comment section. Also, if you think this video has helped you, please make sure you subscribe, share this link with your friends, and I would like to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.